2 Plaza Premium Lounges in Taipei Airport T2. Which should you choose? Flagship Plaza Premium Lounge at TPE. Made-to-order menu available. Shower facilities ready. Is another lounge a hidden gem? Hi, I'm Tripapa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together. Welcome to Tripapa's channel. Good morning from Taiwan Taoyuan International Airport, also known as Taipei Airport, TPE. Today, I'll be flying to Istanbul on Turkish Airlines from Terminal 2, and I'll give you a full tour of 2 different Plaza Premium Lounges. By the end, you'll know which one is right for you to make the most of your travel experience. Before we dive into the lounge tour, a quick note about my memorable stay in Taipei. Previously, I chose the classic 5-star luxury hotel Regent Taipei, unboxed their club room, and visited the best hotel lounge in town, Taoyuan Lounge. All-you-can-eat Häagen-Dazs, Regent's own beer, amazing happy hour dishes, kids' facilities, and the famous rooftop pool were all part of the experience. Check the link below for the full report. Once you're through security, you'll see an escalator leading up to the lounges. Plaza Premium has 2 locations in Terminal 2, number 22, which is just on the left hand, and 17 at the end of this floor is actually the Plaza Premium Flagship Lounge and way bigger than number 22. Of course, let's check out the Flagship Lounge first. Terminal 2 is newer in Taiwan, so it's actually better than Terminal 1. There are plenty of premium brands and also the dining areas here. So right now, let's head to the Plaza Premium. Talking about Plaza Premium or Airport Hotel Aerotel, here comes an important travel hack for you. Whether you pay in cash or enjoy credit card benefits at Plaza Premium, you can actually earn extra points on their official platform called Smart Traveler under the Plaza Premium group. These points unlock perks like free airport lounges, VIP services, airport hotels, and more. Scan my code over there and register now. Enjoy the 150 welcome points entirely free. Now let's get back to the video. The Flagship Lounge looks premium with nice decor and clear signboard. Open daily from 5 AM to 11 PM. Upon entering, we can spot a coffee machine, a draft beer machine, and chef all-day menu. The freshly made food here is often better than most airport food courts. On the other side, they got buffet area with pastries, snacks, cold salads, and 6 hot dishes, along with a fridge stocked with fruits, desserts, and beverages. Wine selection is basic though, just 1 red and 1 white. The lounge itself is spacious with a mix of lounge chairs and dining tables, but the seating is quite compact and close together. During peak hours, it can feel crowded, and finding a seat might be tricky. The reserved area isn't for business class passengers as I thought. It's a paid upgrade for a bit more privacy. Others like private suites, VIP rooms, and meeting rooms are also available, but they come with an additional cost. Shower facilities are free for lounge visitors. Just ask the front desk, and they'll provide towels. Well, feels a bit like those old days in school. I'll quickly show you the shower room now. It seems someone just enjoyed a refreshing shower. There's still steam on the mirror. The shower facility is straightforward, equipped with shower gel and shampoo. Having a toilet here is definitely a plus. Now, let's explore the amenities. Razors, shower caps, dental kits, and cups. I'm going to freshen up quickly and then continue our exploration of this busy lounge. Okay, done. Let's go. After leaving the shower room, you might notice people waiting in line, looking a bit frustrated. If you want to enjoy the shower, get there early. It's time to discover another Plaza Premium Lounge Will it be a hidden gem? Let's go. The second lounge opens from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. only. Right at the entrance, you'll see an ice cream machine, something the Flagship lounge doesn't have. This lounge offers 4 hot dishes and they're well stocked. The same chef's menu is available here, along with a few cold items and Taiwanese appetizers. You'll also find a beverage bar with coffee, soft drinks, beer and tea. With an open ceiling design, this lounge feels a bit wider. The seating is more comfortable. They've got additional hot food, soup, pastries, and a self-service bar with a wider selection than the Flagship lounge.
Alright, I'm currently in Plaza Premium Lounge in Taiwan Taoyuan International Terminal 2. There are 2 Plaza Premium Lounges here, and this is smaller one. It's not open 24/7. However, the over premium vibe is much better than the main one. So if you come to Taipei, you must come here and take a look if this lounge is open. If it's open, just come here. The food is well stocked and many local dishes you should take.
However, the downside is there are no shower facilities or even toilet inside. You'll need to use the public restroom, and for a shower, you'll have to queue at the Flagship lounge. Despite that, I actually prefer this lounge over the Flagship one. Have you visited the Plaza Premium Lounges at Taipei Airport? Let me know in the comments. In my next video, I'll check out EVA Airways, the Infinity Lounge, for Star Alliance Business Class passengers, the Star Lounge for Star Alliance Gold members, and the Club Lounge for EVA Airways Silver members. Afterward, I'll be flying to Istanbul on a Turkish Airlines 787-9 Dreamliner in business class. Experience their premium dining service over a 12-hour journey. Plus, you might want to know which seats offer the best views for relaxing and privacy in premium cabin.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.